This is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video I will explain you how you can use our Google Patents API. So before we start, I just want to give you a few applications of this API, like where you can use this. So you can use this API for tracking any patent. You can build a data set or for analyzing the market saturation, or you can build a search engine on top of this API. So to start, you can just sign up from here or from here. Once you're done with that, you will be redirected to your dashboard, which will look like this. I have to find the patents API. Here it is. And I will pass a query, let's say cancer. I want to check all the patents filed under this, I got a beautiful JSON response from Google Patents API, and we have multiple patents under this. So we got the patent ID. This is the link to the patent. This is the scraping doc link. If you want to extract the details of this particular patent, this is the title of the patent, this is the date, etc., etc. You will get tons of details like who's the signee, you know. And let's say if I want to find more details on this particular patent, uh, then I have two options. Like I can make a GET request to this API URL, or I can go to my patents details API. Here it is, and I will just copy it over here, and I will click on get scraping, and I will get the JSON response very quickly. This is the detail you got from the patent ID, and this is the beautiful JSON response. Now if you have like any questions apart from this, let's we have like bunch of APIs from Google, like we have Google SERP API, AI mode scraper, AI overview API, maps, and other APIs, news. So you can try any API under this trial plan, and then maybe upgrade later if you have larger requirements. So if you have any questions regarding this API, Patents API, or any other API from scrapingdog.com, then you can reach out to me at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.